Hey everybody, today we have Jacob Iwowo joining us. We've been working with Jacob for the past 2 months to help him use Upwork to sign more clients for his agency, Elevate Marketing Group. So Jacob, thanks so much for being here.
No problem, no problem.
Awesome. So first, if you could just tell everyone a little bit more about your agency and the services that you guys provide, that'd be awesome.
Yep, so we're a digital marketing agency. We focus on paid solutions such as like Facebook ads, Google ads, for a whole bunch of businesses at the moment. We're focused primarily on service-based businesses, but we're kind of also making moves to move into the e-commerce space. But yeah, basically helping people scale their businesses using paid advertisement.
Awesome, man. And how did you first get introduced to Upwork?
Yeah, so I actually had a buddy who's been on Upwork for a while. I kind of had I guess like traditional belief that like Upwork is like I don't know, like a platform where like there's kind of like crap jobs and there's super low pay and stuff like that. So I kind of always turn my nose up at it. But like eventually I kind of just decided to get involved. In fact, honestly, like your story was a big part of kind of what kind of pushed me over the edge. I was like, dude, if like Nico's killing it, like I kind of need to jump on this as well. So yeah, I made the transition and like I was super wrong. That's kind of the long and short of it.
Awesome, man. Yeah, it's such a common thing for people to think like, you can only sign small clients from Upwork or nobody's serious on there, but it couldn't be further from the truth. And I want to make sure I ask you, how has your experience been with the clients you've signed from Upwork and, the size of those retainers?
Yeah, no, I mean, dude, I've had a really good relationship with kind of all my clients up until now. Obviously again, super new. So and naturally being like a paid ads agency, like you're gonna have to deal with churn. But I've had some super good clients. I've got one client at the moment on kind of like a consultancy downsell. So that's like $500 a month, kind of 2 hours a month. So like, in terms of like as much as it is a smaller retainer, like it's not all that time consuming, which kind of super makes sense for the retainer. And then I have kind of the full range from there all the way up to like a 3,000 a month retainer with like a very big brand. So yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, Upwork really is like perfect for anything like $5,000 per month and down. It does work well for people selling like one time 10K, 15K packages as long as they have those downsells. And so, yeah, man, we see people with your kind of structure just crushing it. And in terms of us working together, I know we've been doing some on and off consulting over the past couple months. We've written you guys a few proposal templates and a few other things, but ultimately, what's been the highlight of us working together and what's your experience been like?
Yeah, I mean, I guess like it's a space that is not that popular, which is like a good thing. It's not like Facebook or like cold email where there's a whole bunch of stuff just online. Like if you're stuck, there's not necessarily that many places to go in terms of like to find information organically. So just to have you there to, pick up the phone, so to speak, and like get on a call and like, like talk through stuff. And the fact that you've kind of been there, done that, and then like the actual implementation side of it, like we've got away from calls and we've implemented stuff and we've seen like huge changes in KPIs, which is huge. So like, yeah, I just think that the best part of it is A, the fact that we have somebody to help walk us through it, and B, the fact that like it actually works in terms of like the changes and how they actually impact KPI. So yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Well, we're really glad to hear that. Last question here. If there was someone on our website and they're kind of, on the fence about working with us, they're not really sure, is there anything that you'd tell them?
Yeah, I mean, number one is that I have to imagine that like 6 months ago me would have been like, oh, it all sounds good, but like it's Upwork. Like no one's using Upwork. Like, why have I never heard of this if it's this amazing platform that everybody da da da. But like I just think it's important that like I know that I was looking to grow my agency and I think it's super important. Honestly, it's gonna be the kind of real spill is that like you kind of need to like take a step back and I personally think like I would have said 6 months ago, you need to humble yourself and like understand that there's a whole bunch of things just in general that you don't know and you never know until you try. Just because the number one thing that I found with Upwork is that I was able to make money super quickly via the platform, right? So like I don't know, I think that I have to imagine that most of the people that are on the fence are probably not on the fence for any other reason. They just don't trust the platform and don't trust the mechanism. And it's just like, look, dude, like there's a lot of things out that you don't know. And if you think that you can't make money on Upwork, that's 100% one of them.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. Well, awesome, Jacob. Thank you so much for being here. And we're super glad that you're crushing it on Upwork, and really excited to see you cross your first $10,000 a month, which I know is coming right up.
100%.
Awesome.